What's up, you guys? I'm Christina Sheree. If you're new to my channel, hello. And if you're returning, you know it's always good to see you. Before we go any further, if you're new, pause, hit that subscribe button. All good now. All right, you guys. So today, slightly different setup. You can see kind of everything outside of the limited scope of my lens because I'm filming on my phone. Because today I just want to do a swatch video. I love DANESSA MYRICKS. I've been using her for a little while now, and I've just kind of really just all into her Colorfix shadows. And I want to share my collection with you, and hopefully it helps you out if you're my skin tone slightly deeper. You can get a better idea of what it'll look like on you. And yeah, you guys, so we're going to dive into this video. Today, I just want to share my love of DANESSA MYRICKS Colorfix shadows and do a swatch video for you guys. Hopefully this video will help you if you're my skin tone or a little bit deeper, get an idea of what they'll look like. But really, DANESSA MYRICKS shadows for me, or specifically these 24-hour Colorfix, they are just playtime. You can use it for so many different things. And it only takes such a little bit. I'll show you when I do the swatches, but this one product, you can use it as eyeshadow, blush, lipstick. She has mattes, metallics, foils, glazes. What else does she have? Cream shadows. You can use these things for so many functions. And if you have one color you like, just get the white or the black. You can make it lighter. You can make it deeper. The possibilities with this are endless. And did I say it lasts all day long? You don't even need a primer. In fact, the look that I have on today, I actually used 3 of her shadows. I used it for my eyeshadow, I used it for my blush, and I used it for my lipstick. I did a short, so it should be before this one, and I will post it. I will link it so that you guys can see it. Yeah, guys, I'm really excited. So this is probably the end. You'll see my face till the end of the video, but we're gonna jump into swatches now. guys, so that is my DANESSA MYRICKS COLORFIX collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love watching swatch videos. And yeah, you know what? Thank you for giving me your time. Whatever time it is for you, morning, noon, or night, I always greatly appreciate when you give me some of it. And before you head on out, please, if you're not already, subscribe to my channel. Helps me out. And head on over to my Instagram or my TikTok. It's Christina on all 3 platforms. I'm trying to grow to my community. I can't even talk. All right, you guys. So appreciate your time and thank you. Bye.